Digital transformation projects shouldn't require you to spend a lot of money. They shouldn't need large capex projects, and you should be able to drive forward production and technology through the use of operational budgets. You wouldn't build a new house if you wanted to adopt some IoT technology at home, so why would you do that in the workplace? New IIoT technology is available from many manufacturers and can be used very simply to capture data and do many other things. Digital transformation should not be an IT project. It will require IT involvement, but the main driver should be operational benefits such as increased productivity or reduced costs. Robots will not take over our jobs. We will need to work collaboratively with new technology as it's adopted in manufacturing. Cobots are a fantastic example of this, with people working hand in hand with new technology to drive forward efficiencies. Our existing workforce absolutely already has the skills to use new digital technology. I guarantee that they're already using this digital technology at home, so why wouldn't they use it in the workplace?